Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you about this topic called updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. If you're facing this problem over and over again, then this video will help you to solve this problem. So it's a very simple process. You have to follow these 3 steps that can help you to fix this problem. So first one, you just need to come over into your start or the search option over here and going to type here cmd. And click on the right mouse button and run as administrator. After that, here you just need to paste this command over here, like this command. You just need to copy it and paste it over here like this. Don't worry, I will give you this command into the video description. From there you can simply copy it. And after that, you just need to click on enter. And as you can see that the command will be running up, and so it will take some seconds to complete. So for that, we will go for the next step. It's we just need to come over into the search option and going to search for troubleshoot settings. Click on that. And then you just need to come for other troubleshooters. Click on that. And then you just need to look for Windows Update. Click on run. And then you can see they are detecting problems. So it can take some seconds. So for that, keep patience. And as you can see that they find a problem over here. Pending system change the record or reboot has detected. So if you just click on next over here, as you can see they're resolving the problem over here. So after completing this detecting additional problems, then there will be a fix. And as you can see that troubleshooting has completed. The troubleshooters made some changes to your device. Try attempting the task they were trying to do before, and the problem found it to check the pending restart, check for Windows Update issues they are detected. And now if you did we fix your problem, then if you click on yes, and now close the troubleshooter, and that's it. So after that, if this troubleshooting has been completed, and as you can see into your CMD prompt, your operation completed successfully. And now we will going to type over here sfc space scan now. Click enter. And as you can see, the verification is running, so it will take some minutes to complete. So we just need to keep patience. So as you can see that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations, so the verification is completed. And that's it. This is how we can fix your problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If your problem is solved, then don't forget to comment as well. See you at the next video. Till then, goodbye.